Now this is the SX-42 receiver, all broken down, and it's actually put back together a little bit with the front panel put on it temporarily. You can kind of see the front panel. Let me turn this light on here. Kind of see the front panel. The rest of the front panel is in pretty rough shape. We're going to do some work on the front panel. We're going to try to do some restoration work on it. The receiver electronics took some considerable repairs to do to it. This is the audio area here. I had to replace the socket. There was some pretty significant water damage in this, so the audio area was rebuilt. Also, the audio transformer was replaced, which was blown, I believe caused by a capacitor that blew out on the tone switch. So these two caps here are the electrolytics filter caps. The original electrolytics had it. So this here was the reason why the broadcast band didn't work. That's been repaired. It now works in all bands. As you can see, most of the caps have been replaced by somebody else. Most of the original wax paper caps. There's still a couple left in here. In fact, one blew while I was working on it. It literally smoked. So I'm going to finish this up by replacing those the last paper caps. Here's the band switch, the famous SX-42 band switch, which actually is in good shape. I was pretty concerned that there was a problem, particularly on band switch H, which is the critical one. So otherwise than that, it's not bad. Some of the cosmetics over here, the front bezel here is in good shape. Just needs to be cleaned up. I actually had a spare set of dials. You can see this is the original dial, and it's kind of all ratty. So I had a spare set of dials. Here's the new. I don't remember where I got these, but I literally have a brand new set of them. This was here is the audio output transformer, the blown one. These are the parts that I took out of it. Somebody got in there and did some heavy modifications. The knobs are in pretty good shape. Just need to be cleaned up. So there you go. That's a Valiant transmitter that's getting ready to go. And that basically is the story on the SX-42. Let's fire it up. So we're going to watch the current here. So that's actually times 10. So it's 0.7 amps. So and then we should set. I think it's on. I believe I'm right around 75 meters. That's where we're hanging in. Or maybe we should put an antenna on it. Let's put an antenna on it. Yeah, look at people talking.
Transmit receive switch, Peter? Oh yeah, that's unacceptable. You should have the transmit receive switch. I mean, that's an accomplishable task. I didn't realize it was the TR switch. Yeah, it should be, you know. I have this in this shack.
That's my test speaker there, which is set for 500 ohms. This receiver has got a 500 ohm output and a 5,000 ohm audio output. Very unusual, but typical for Hallicrafters. So there's Steve WA1QIX on 75 meters. I don't think I've got the right antenna selection for this, but the S meter, I got some work to do there. You can see the S meter. I can actually go and look at it that way. The upside down. The S meter, I got a little bit more work to do. I had to replace the pot on it, the S meter pot, which was shorted. So, but all in all, not bad. All the bands work now, and this thing was a complete basket case. Actually, Here's the with a box on it. There's the here's the case, which is all rusted to hell. So we're going to clean that up and repaint it. So there you go. There's the story. There's the story on the SX-42 on the bench.
Sadly, using too much expenses to pack it.
Just, you know, the guy didn't pack it worth a darn. He took the. I have to laugh. These people in Houston, what a bunch of crooks. Reminds me of Rhode Island. They take the, you know, you take the power supply and the audio deck out, and you put them in. You're supposed to put them in a separate box. Well, they stuck them in the same box, so they banged into the radio. So they're banging into each other and banging into the radio. The whole, you know. Luckily, the second day air probably saved it. If the thing had gone by